Top deals on Amazon today. In fact, some of these deals are brand new. Click on them before they disappear. And today's video is devoted toward cold's coming, winter's coming, cold, ice, snow, all those things. In this video, all these items will help you get ready for that. Now, of course, I will link everything below. Just go to the description. You can click on the links now if you want to, or go through the video and let me show you all these amazing deals and some of the really good ones toward the end. So let's jump right into it. Our first item for only $10, Hanes men's zip-up hoodies. Fantastic. Hoodies are great, especially when it looks at fleece, and it's perfect for layers to keep warm. Personally, I like the zipper ones, but they do have the pullover sweatshirts also, but these are only $8. Great. Our job, of course, is to keep warm, but we can also keep warm in style. Women's oversized cable knit crew neck sweaters, beautiful. Only $33. Or how about a women's two-piece outfit hoodie sweatsuit? Very nice and nice and cozy warm, $38. Or even better, only for $20, a little women's sleeveless puffy vest. Very nice. In martial arts, we wear a lot of Adidas gear. Here's a men's three-stripe tricot track top for $38. They are quality. Or for $41, an Amazon Essentials women oversized long puffy jacket. I know they're called puffers. I like saying puffy. Eddie Bauer for $64 has a men's down jacket. I love down jackets, so warm. Or for only $34, Columbia has a Sequoia Grove half zip fleece. Or perfect for underneath all those jackets, we have a women's heated fleece vest with heated collar. I love these. $99 will keep you super toasty warm. Or how about a men's fleece heated vest with the battery? $84. Next up, socks, slippers, and boots. Keep your feet warm. And one of my favorite items by far, merino wool hiking socks. These are fantastic, the best socks you can get for only $14, 3 pairs. Or $20 for 5 pair of women's boot socks. Super cozy. And speaking of cozy, women's fuzzy memory foam slippers for $17. Let's get into some boots like Columbia's women's Ice Maiden snow boots, $70. Or how about Timberland's Pro men's direct attached soft-toed insulated waterproof boots for $103? That's a serious boot right there. Great list so far. Keep it nice and warm. Stay through it. Some awesome items toward the end. Or how cute are these North Face Child's waterproof boots? North Face is awesome. Only $44. And $39, Dream Pair's women's waterproof winter boots. These look great and comfy. Very stylish for the snow. Or look at this, only $30 for these women's waterproof winter snow boots. Very nice. And our family has lots of these. Up here in Michigan, Yaktrax Run traction cleats for running on snow and ice. Comes in very handy on those icy days. Up next, bibs, pants, and hats. If you're a parent or grandparent, you know you can never get enough of these chest-high snow bib overalls, only $14. And kids outgrow them so fast, so $14, good price. Or a little bit higher up, kids insulated snow bib overalls for $27. And I've got a pair of these, men's water-resistant insulated pants. These are amazing, only $20, well worth the price. Or a little bit more on the athletic side, men's Nike's Club Joggers for $45. And of course, your head says it wants to be stylish too, Adidas men's beanies. But if you're looking for more practicality, how about this? A winter fleece beanie with an LED light built in, USB rechargeable. Only $11. Time for a few other heated items that you will need. And trust me, you need this. It's a Breville infuser espresso machine. We had one of these, and so we stepped up to a really huge machine in our house. $400 is a steal, normally $600. And having espresso lattes at home is yes, yes, yes. That's how to keep warm in the winter right there. That and this huge plush throw blanket, reversible, very nice, medium weight, huge and nice and cozy, but it is $90. Kind of on the pricey side. I have a better one here in just a minute. Because only for $25 you can get this heated blanket. It's a throw blanket, 50 by 60 inches, and it's heated for only $25. Fantastic, even more items coming. Stay through the video and keep watching. Or maybe you just need a heating pad. These are nice. Back pain relief, etc. Keep you nice and cozy too. $28. But for $20, you can get the ceramic space heater. We love these in our house to keep the edge off. They do very well in keeping small rooms nice and warm, like our bathroom, for example. And don't forget our furry friends. Here's a thermal bowl heated water bowl for cats and dogs for the outside, $24. We have this and it works very well. Ski goggles. These specific ones are for over your glasses, $21. We love ours. And same thing. Here's ones for the kids, $20. Of course, I'm sure they'll get some more use out of it than we will, going sledding and such. There you go. Time to keep warm this winter. Of course it is, especially as preppers. So I will link everything below. Click on the links. And if you click on that link, we get a portion of the sale. your price doesn't change. And we say thank you because it helps keep Goshen Prepping going, because we don't charge for our videos. It's always a little nice incentive during this to be able to help us out. And we always say thank you and appreciate it. Anyways, put in the comments, what are you stocking up for this winter? Because it's going to be a cold one. Of course it is winter. And we'll see you next time.